As part of the worldwide teach-in on climate justice, it's important to make things clear to your audience. The key thing about these teach-ins is to have everyone involved be on the same page. Here are 3 tips and tricks to use when talking about climate change. Number 1, simplify your language. Use simpler language or metaphors to convey complicated scientific topics. Instead of using greenhouse gases or anthropogenic, use phrases like heat-trapping gases and human cause to convey your point. With younger kids, go even further, describing the greenhouse effect like a blanket surrounding the planet. Number 2, don't be afraid to say, I don't know. In complicated issues like climate change and climate justice, you may not have all the answers to difficult questions. If someone asks you a challenging question, ask around the room. Perhaps someone can lend their expertise. The beautiful thing about science is that it's always open to additional, thoughtful input. Number 3, angry climate deniers don't serve your time. Inquisitive people may have their doubts about climate change. It's our job to respectfully answer their questions and to confront them with the truth. However, if you encounter someone who seems to be purposefully disruptive and rude to you or anyone else in the audience, don't give them a second thought. Ignore them. All they want is attention. These 3 steps will help you get your teaching going strong. Thanks for watching.